It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is Arachnid! Yay! Arachnids are members of a class of animal that includes spiders, scorpions, mites, and ticks. Spiders are arachnids, but not all arachnids are spiders. You can also use arachnid in a sentence like this. A spider is an arachnid. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Arachnid! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week. Bye!
Joe and Joey's Imagination Station.